Waking up didn't impact my life as much as the habit of waking up has. That means that, metaphorically speaking, I do tend to fall back asleep right after. But by making a habit of it, and so by practicing meditation daily, I've actually managed to puncture the thick blanket of automatic thinking with a constellation of tiny holes through which I finally could let some light in. The practical difference between before and after can maybe be illustrated with a couple more of metaphors that I like to borrow because they're really popular. The first being personal hygiene. Like showering and brushing teeth, meditation is most effective if practiced consistently. And the result is a higher success rate in maintaining both mental and physical health. The second metaphor is reading, because learning to meditate is, for me, a little like learning to read. It's a fundamental skill that opens virtually infinite opportunities for growing. And meditation practice gives incremental access to a well of knowledge that have very profound implications in both internal and social life. Unfortunately, while reading implies writing and therefore the ability not only to acquire new knowledge but also to share it, meditation's limit is maybe its exquisitely private dimension, which makes it difficult for meditators to share their insights and accelerate everyone's progress. And this is the reason why the work of Samaris and his team is so important. The waking up application facilitates creating a healthy habit. It provides tools such as vocabulary and language that are useful to articulate the experience of adventuring and exploring consciousness. And it creates a community that contributes raising awareness around a practice that potentially can alleviate most of the unnecessary suffering in the world.